Welcome to All Natural Official. In today's video, we're going to talk about a natural remedy that might support overall health: watermelon and lemon juice. Many people assume that issues related to sexual performance or circulation require medication, like Viagra. However, some natural remedies, like watermelon and lemon juice, may offer potential benefits. It's important to note that this is not a substitute for clinically proven treatments, and it lacks rigorous scientific validation. Always consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new remedy. Why watermelon and lemon juice? Watermelon contains citrulline, which may support blood flow and help relax blood vessels. It also contains lycopene, an antioxidant that benefits heart health. Fresh lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which boosts the drink's antioxidant properties and supports the immune system. How to prepare the blend: ingredients: fresh watermelon, seedless or seeded; fresh lemon juice, about 2 tablespoons per liter of watermelon juice. Steps: cut it into small pieces. Blend the watermelon pieces until you get around 1 liter of juice. Pour the juice into a pot and bring it to a gentle boil. Simmer for 5-7 minutes. Add the freshly squeezed lemon juice and stir. Continue simmering until the juice reduces by half. Remove from heat and let it cool for about an hour. Optionally, strain the mixture to remove pulp. Store the liquid in a clean glass bottle in the refrigerator. Raw alternative: if you prefer, you can skip the boiling process and blend the watermelon and lemon juice raw. This retains more vitamins but won't concentrate the juice as much. Store the raw blend in the refrigerator and consume it within 2 days. How to consume: start with small amounts, 2 tablespoons to a third cup. Drink it on an empty stomach, either in the morning or evening. Don't exceed a moderate amount to avoid potential stomach upset. Potential benefits: watermelon contains citrulline, which may support blood flow and improve circulation. Lemon juice adds vitamin C and enhances the drink's antioxidant properties. Precautions: consult a doctor if you have any pre-existing conditions, especially heart or kidney issues, or are taking medication. Check with a healthcare provider before trying this remedy. Avoid overconsumption. Drinking too much could cause gastrointestinal discomfort due to natural sugars and acids. Not a cure. This is not a replacement for prescribed medication or medical advice related to sexual performance or health issues. While this watermelon and lemon juice blend could offer some potential benefits, remember that it's important to maintain a balanced diet, stay active, and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our All Natural Official channel for more health tips and remedies.